So welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to that subscriber that yapped the living daylight out of my life today. She said my color is looking bad, that I should work on myself because I posted serums that can make you white. So probably because I'm not white, so she got angry and she said I should work on myself so that I'll be white. Well, thank you very much for yabbing me, but all the same, you really did well. You know why I said you did well? At least you got some dollars into my account by viewing the video at the first place, so thank you so much. Then for your yabbing, well, I'm used to it. Your yabbing does not even touch me a bit. Yes, because I believe that you're one of those people that love those YouTubers that will use skin smoother and use all those app on their phone that will make their skin so flawless and shiny that you will not even see any spot on their face. Well, it's not my fault that God created me and gave me this color and gave me spots, and I will always flaunt my face the way they are. Yes, I'm the acne type. So will I go and question God? Maybe if you see God, go and question God on my behalf. Yes, I am the acne type, I'm the oily type, I break out easily, so I have spots easily, and I try my possible best to still manage my acne lifestyle. That's what I'll call it, lifestyle. Yeah, so I try my possible best, and it is hereditary, so I cannot come and kill myself, I can't come and die. So thank you very much all the same for viewing my video, and thank you for dropping that comment. At least thank you for helping me to make some dollar, even if it is just a cent. That's because I don't use foundation to plaster my face and my face is not sparkling with foundation or makeup. Does not mean that you should come and yap the living daylight out of me. Well, they pay me, it's just funny. So like I used to say, because I am a skincare therapist does not mean that pimples have to respect me and run away from me totally. Pimples is a respecter of no man, so just know that, okay? Yeah, just have that at the back of your mind. So because I make review on skin whitening, skin lightening does not mean that I should over bleach myself, even if it's against my choice. I used to say it on my channel that skin bleaching, skin lightening is a choice. So welcome back to my channel. Let me do the proper introduction now. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, kindly view, and drop your comments as usual. Whether good or ugly, I'm there. To my old subscribers, oh, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for always tuning in, for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for your support, your love so far. So what are we doing today? Today I want to make a dark knuckle serum. This dark knuckle serum is actually more or less like a peeling serum. As we go into the video, of course you will see how I make the serum, but at the end of the video I will be explaining to you how you can use the serum. Yes, because the serum is highly concentrated with AHAs. Yeah, today I'm working with my AHAs, so I'll be explaining to you how you can make use of this dark knuckle serum. This serum will, it will clear off dark knuckles. If you have any dark knuckles on your hand, it will clear it off. If you have anyone on your elbow, they call this elbow, right? Yeah, it's going to clear it off. Or your knee, it's going to clear it off. So just watch me do this serum and watch this video to the end. Do not go away, stay and watch the video to the end. And yes, if you are selling this serum, because I'm not hiding any recipe, no, you all know me, I don't hide recipe. I am always flowing, because you know why? I don't have time to start doing one I can sit down today and create formulas. If I create a formula today, that does not mean that tomorrow I cannot sit down and create a better formula. I am always creating formula, and I'm always putting them into samples. Yes, that is what being a skincare formulator is all about. You have to give birth to new products. You have to create something new, put them to testing. You have to do research. You have to read a lot. That is why you're called a skincare formulator. So watch this video to the end. So let's start formulating our dark knuckle serum, or let's say our peeling solution, or lightening, dark knuckle lightening serum. Yeah, all of the above. So I'll be needing my bigger scale, and I'll be needing my smaller scale. This scale actually reads in 0 point. You know, if you want to measure out 1.5, this scale will actually do that for you. So I'll be using the scale too, because I have some measurements in points that I'll be measuring now. So I'll be using the 2 scale. So the first thing right here, and I'm using my book, my formulation book. So I wrote down my formulas here. So let's proceed. So here is my measurement cup, here is my spatula. So the first thing I will be needing right here is my aqua. My aqua is my distilled water. Here is my water. So next I'll be adding in my glycerin. So I added in my glycerin. I find it hard to work with this glove. It's so frustrating, but I just had to manage because I don't have 10,000 naira now to go and buy a hand glove. So my glycolic acid, I'll be needing 229.5. so this is the best scale you can use to measure anything point. You understand now? So here is my glycolic acid. Into my bowl. So this aside. So I'm going in with my aloe vera gel. So guys, you can see that the aloe vera is not that thick. Reason is that glycolic acid is very powerful. It breaks down consistency of whatever thickener you're using. So that's its nature. I've actually been using this can carry 3 kg. I'm gonna add vitamin E to this. So my vitamin E is 15.3. So that's my vitamin E. So next I'll be adding in my preservative. I don't want to forget my propylene glycol. So here's my propylene glycol. You can see here's my propylene glycol. So this is just like a solution. It's just like a cleanser, or call it solution. Because it's not that thick. So next I'm gonna stick blend this. I had to take off my hand glove because that hand glove is not easy to put on. The hand glove. Anybody that sells glove, please tell me if you sell cheaper glove for not 10,000 naira per pack. I used to buy for 1,525, 2,000. It's so expensive now. Well, I know the reason, but I'm not gonna measure the reason in this video. So this is my Knuckle serum. You can call it cleanser, you can call it serum, you can call it solution, but this is gonna take off that knuckle. that hard knuckle, is the first thing you will start experiencing. It will soften the knuckle. And one funny thing about the serum is that it's going to repair your skin as it takes off that dark knuckle. It will repair your skin because you can see vitamin E is here, vegetable glycerin is here, aloe vera is here, a whole lot of, I use plenty of aloe vera. If not that is the glycolic acid content that is here, this should be very, very thick. But glycolic acid breaks down whatever thick consistency you have in your solution. So just have this at the back of your mind. It's not that easy working with glycolic acid. It breaks. If your aloe vera gel is as thick as Olumoro of Abekuta, when you put glycolic acid inside it, it breaks all mountain, like mountain crusher. That is what this glycolic acid is, especially when you use it at the higher percentage. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna be telling you how to use this, so just stay tuned. Do not go away. Don't go away. Oh yeah, so the next thing I will do right now is to take the pH level of this, because when working with your AHA, like I said in one of my video, you have to arrive at a certain pH level for your solution, your AHA solution or your AHA product to be very, very effective. So you see why I said do not go away. Today I'll be using my pH paper. It's called Universal Indicator paper. You can see the way it look like. Yeah, so I like having alternatives. I have my normal pH, the digital pH meter, but I just feel like using this today to check. So I'm gonna take out one. Yeah, so I'll dip this into wow, can you see this guys? Yeah, can you see this? So I'm gonna match this with whatever color that I see here. So you can see this is actually on pH level 5. So that means this solution we have here will not be too acidic. It's not acidic. Right here you can even apply this in on your body because it's not going to burn you. Yeah, but I want this to be a kind of an acid peel. Yeah, so I'm going to reduce the pH level to 3 or 4. I'm going to be using my digital pH meter to check because I just want to be so sure of what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh my god, I wish you can see this right now. This is actually on 4. It's going down. Oh my god, can you see? This is actually on. Wow, I still need to raise it up a bit. Oh my god, though I wanted to achieve 3.5, but I cannot keep on reducing, increasing. But if you want to do this, yeah, you can still reduce it by adding your lactic acid, but it's still good to go this way because the pH level for AHA is 3 to 4. Like I said, 3 to 4, it's very, very okay. It will make your AHA to be very, very effective at those rates. So can you see my serum? Here is my serum. So I'll be explaining how you can use this serum. So the best way to use this serum is this. After you've had your bath, apply the serum on the affected area. Do not apply on the area where you don't have knuckle, please, on the affected area. So apply like 2 to 3 times in a day. After 4 to 5 days, you start experiencing mild peeling depending on the skin type, but you start experiencing mild peeling. When it starts peeling off, before that particular area start peeling off, you might start noticing that it will start getting darker in complexion. Then know that that place is about to peel off. Yeah, so after it has peeled off, just keep on applying the serum to the area that has not peeled off. Any area that has peeled off, do not apply the serum to that area because you might feel slightly burn there. You feel a burning sensation when the serum drops on the peeled area. Yeah, so what you need to do on the peel area is for you to apply any good lightening serum. You can get any good lightening serum of your choice, then apply on the peeled area. So when everything has finally cleared off, like the old knuckle has peeled off, make sure you maintain that area with a good lightening serum that you know is very effective. You can get any of those Cote d'Ivoire, this French country lightening serum, like Miss Carolite or Miss Carrot, all those. You can use any of those lightening serum to maintain your knuckle. Yeah, it's not must you should go and break the bank buying expensive serums from all those designers cosmetic stores to maintain that knuckle. You can just go in with any good serum. So you apply the serum there morning and night, so that the dark areas that have scaled off will not go dark again. Because one thing with knuckle is that you have to always maintain that size. Just like when you bleach your skin and you become a white person, from a dark skin you turn to a white skin, you have to maintain that skin. If not, you will go back to factory setting. Yeah, that means you go dark. So you have to keep maintaining that area with a lightening serum, so that particular area will not go dark again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're enjoying my content, my video,